So you've received some DMs or messages through Instagram and you want to know how to check it. I'm going to show you how to do that very simply right now. So first things first, we're just going to open up our Instagram app here. And then from this main page, right down at the bottom in the middle, you see the little speech bubble with like a lightning bolt in it. That is your message center. So we're going to click on that. And any of your messages that you've received will show up here. So you could be able to look through there, and they're even giving you some suggestions of people that you could message. And all of your messages will be right in there. If I want to send myself a message, we could type in here and go, hey, dude, okay, and send that. So we send that message, and then if I was to respond to myself, it'll show up in there as the messages. Now, that conversation that has started with me, if I kind of press and hold that, you could have options to mark it as unread, move to the general folder. You can mute it so that you won't be notified if you get more messages on that. Or you can click delete and remove it entirely. Or you could even pin it so that it'll always be at the top of your message list. Once you get a lot of messages in there, it's easy to lose track of. So you could pin some of the key conversations that you want to have in there. Now, this we're looking at in our primary view. If there's a message that you think somebody sent you, or you're not sure if you got a message or not, and it's not showing up, you may want to look at the request area. So we're going to click on that. And what this is people outside of your friends list. If they message you, a lot of times it'll go into the request section. So you have to accept or deny that conversation. And then there's also at the top of this, you see hidden requests. And right now I have 0, but those are what Instagram thinks are spam or dummy accounts that are messaging you. So if you want to be thorough, you could go into there and see if there's a hidden request or something from an account, because sometimes it obviously is in error and it may be a message from a legitimate person. You can find them in there. And with that, that is your DM. So you're able to check your messages and send and receive messages all from your center in here. Hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.